Here are the top bioinformatic databases with their prime function. The number one is GeneBank, which is a comprehensive collection of publicly available DNA sequence and the protein translation. The next one is EMBL-EBI, which is a European repository for nucleotide sequences, protein sequences, and macromolecular structure. The next one is DDBJ. This is a DNA Data Bank of Japan, a repository for DNA sequences. The next one on the list is Protein Data Bank, a repository for 3D structural data of large biological molecules such as protein and nucleic acid. The next one is UniProt, a comprehensive resource for protein sequence and annotation data. The next one is Interpro, that classifies sequence into families and predict the presence of domain and important site. The next one on the list is PFAM, a database of protein families and domain represented by multiple sequence alignment and hidden Markov model. The next one is KEGG. It's a database for understanding high-level functions and utilities of biological system. The next one is Online Mendelian Inheritance in Man, a database of human gene and genetic disorder. The next one is ArrayExpress, a functional genomic data repository that stores data from high-throughput functional genomic experiments. The next one is GEO, a public functional genomic data repository. Adding on list, the next one is Enzymal, a genome browser providing annotation and additional information layered onto the genomic sequences. Apart from these, RefSeq, NCBI's non-reductant and curated collection of sequences, including genomic, transcript, and proteins. The next one is NCBI Taxonomy, a taxonomic database concentrating on taxa for which DNA sequences are available. Next one is BioGrid. This is a biological general repository for interaction dataset, a database of protein-protein and genetic interactions. The next one on the list is String, a database of known and predicted protein-protein interaction. Next one is Reactome. This is a curated pathway database of human biological pathway and processes. Next one is Brenda. This is a comprehensive enzyme information system including enzyme nomenclature, structure, function, and references. Adding few more on the list are Human Metabolome Database that contain information about small molecule metabolite found in human bodies. Next one is PETRIC. This is Pathosystem Resource Integration Center, a bacterial bioinformatics resource center. Next on the list is Eukaryotic Pathogen Database Resource, a collection of databases for eukaryotic pathogen. The next on the list is FlyBase, a database of Drosophila genes and genome. Next one is WormBase, a database for nematodes genome and biology. Next one is MGI. This is Mouse Genome Informatics. This is an international database resource for the laboratory mouse. Moreover, RGD, a rat genome database, a comprehensive data repository for rat genomic, genetic, and phenotypic data. The next one is Zebrafish Model Organism Database, a database of information on the genetics and genomics of Denio rareo. Next is Gramener, a comparative genomic mapping database for grasses. The next is PhylomeDB, a database for complete phylogenetic tree and alignment. And if you are interested in virus research, then VPR, the Virus Pathogen Database and Analysis Resource, which is an integrated platform specifically designed for DNA and RNA virus data. And lastly, SEED, a database for comparative genomics and genome annotation.